Hello everyone, welcome to part 13 of this 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself series. 13 parts in, and we're talking about a principle that's pretty interesting this time, and this one is to sing without feeling. So what he says in this one, the most important thing about this is that, we are not happy, we don't sing when we're happy because we sing, and that we should find the happiest song we know and sing it, that we can really have that kind of thing. And I think this really builds on the previous principles of just kind of creating more motivation by being happier, by being, more energetic, that kind of thing. And that we can really build that up through music. Now, music has an amazing effect on the brain that I've talked about, that I learned in a perception psychology class, about the fact that the brain has so many different parts that are related to music, but only like one or two that are really related to language. So when it comes to actually the workings of the brain, if you can have a person who's there have been examples of people who have been shot who can't speak, who can't form the words, but they can sing them because the music really gets through to these parts of the brain, so they can really rebuild and kind of compensate for lacking areas, for destroyed brain tissue matter. And so singing is a huge part of the subconscious mind. Music is so big to people. It has, we have the ability to remember lyrics after only hearing them once or twice, even up to years later. We just kind of can remember thousands and thousands of songs and all these things based on the fact that they're musical and they have that kind of nature to them. So we can really build that up in our mind if we are willing to find the happiest song we know, sing it, and that can give us a ton of motivation. That's about it for part 13. I will see you guys next time with part 14. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.